Hello, Dave here with emergencyprepguy.com. I appreciate you stopping by. This is part 2 in my 2-part video series building the seedling tables for my greenhouse. I'll put a link to the first video here where I actually built the frame. In this video I'm going to be building the tops to the removable tops to the seedling table. Okay, so let's get building. Okay, I just want to show you really quick the lumber that I have cut. I have 6 2x2s cut right there at exactly 21 inches. Got another 6 2x2s here cut at exactly 40 inches. And then I've got 21 of these cedar fence boards cut at exactly 24 inches long. Okay, here's the final product, the final tops. I've got 3 40-inch long by 24-inch wide tops here. You can see when I have them on here, you know, they're real stable. I don't think I would need to do anything. If I ever wanted to make sure that they didn't wiggle off at all, basically what I made was 3 little pallets. And all I would have to do is like put 1 screw here and 1 screw here, so 2 screws in each 40-inch pallet like that, and then I'd only have 6 screws to remove if I ever you know, when I want to take them off to store them, because at some point when I'm done with the seedlings, whatever I'm growing down here will get more light when I take that off, so that's why I wanted something easy to remove. Okay, well, I hope that was interesting. I appreciate you watching the video all the way to the end. I hope you got some benefit out of it. If you did, please don't forget to like the video. That really helps us with the Google algorithm. Sharing it on your social media really, more than anything, helps us grow the channel. We really appreciate that. And if you like this kind of content, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you in the next video.